The question reads, state the time taken for light to travel from the sun to the earth. This is the value which we need to remember, that the light takes 500 seconds to travel from the sun to the earth. Using your answer to previous part, calculate the distance from the sun to the earth. For calculating this distance, we would be using the formula that distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Speed at which the light travels in space is 3.0 into 10 raised to 8, and the time it takes to reach the earth is 500 seconds. So this is going to be 1500 into 10 raised to 8 meters, which when described in standard form would become 1.5 into 10 raised to 11 meters. So this distance is 1.5 into 10 raised to 11 meters. State what is meant by galaxy. A galaxy is a collection of billions of stars. The next part reads, the speed of recession means the speed at which something is moving away. So the speed of recession of a galaxy is the speed at which the galaxy is moving away from the Earth. Astronomers use redshift to measure the speed of recession. Astronomers can also measure the distance d of the galaxy from Earth. Such large distances are measured in light years. Estimate the time t that the galaxy has been moving away from Earth using the equation provided that we are given with two quantities. We are given with the light years. This is the distance between the Earth and that galaxy. And this is the speed of recession, the speed at which the galaxy is moving away. So we have to calculate the time t, the time since when the galaxy is moving away from the Earth. And the answer is required to be given in billions of years. Now, the distance in light years is given to be 4.9 into 10 raised to 7 light years. We know that speed of light is 3.0 into 10 raised to 8 meters per second. If we want to convert this speed in kilometers per year, then 3.0 into 10 raised to 8 would be divided by 10 raised to 3, so that the distance is converted into kilometers. So this distance in kilometers is traveled in 1 seconds. Now, if I want to convert this 1 second into years, then it would be divided by 60 to be converted into minutes, further 60 to be converted into hours, further 24 to be converted into days, and further 365 to be converted into years. So the speed of light would now be converted into kilometers per years. And this speed of light is equal to, it becomes 9.46 into 10 raised to 12 kilometers per year. Now the distance traveled by the light when coming from the galaxy to the Earth is 4.9 into 10 raised to 7 light years. So here I multiplied the distance given in light years with this value to convert it into kilometers, and this is the distance between the Earth and the galaxy in kilometers. Then we were given with the speed of recession in kilometers per second, and I converted this speed into kilometers per year. So this is the value of the speed of recession in kilometers per year. Then to find the time, I have divided the distance with the speed. The distance is in kilometers and the speed is in kilometer per year. So we are getting the answer as 13 into 10 raised to 9 years. And 10 raised to 9 is a billion. So we could also write it as 13 billion years. So the final answer for this part is going to be 13 billion years. And the question ends here with this part.